Welcome to this honest review of TotalSend, a powerful SaaS email marketing platform designed to help you manage and automate your email campaigns. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform, highlighting its core features, user interface, and my experience using it as an everyday marketer. First, when you log into TotalSend, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that makes navigating through the platform simple. You'll find all the essential tools for creating email campaigns, automating workflows, and analyzing performance right at your fingertips. Point one of the standout features of TotalSend is its email automation. Setting up automated email sequences is incredibly easy, and the platform allows you to create highly personalized campaigns based on user behavior. For example, you can set up welcome emails, follow-ups, or even re-engagement sequences for inactive users. The segmentation features also allow you to divide your audience into specific groups based on demographics or actions, which helps improve the targeting and relevancy of your messages. The email editor in TotalSend is another highlight. It's drag and drop, so you don't need to be a coding expert to create beautiful, engaging emails. The platform offers a variety of templates, but you can also customize them as much as you like. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional emails, or transaction emails, TotalSend provides plenty of design flexibility. The analytics dashboard is comprehensive, giving you access to detailed metrics on your email performance. You can track open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and more. This helps you optimize your campaigns over time and ensures that your emails are performing at their best. There's also A/B testing functionality, allowing you to test different subject lines or email content to see what resonates best with your audience. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Check it out after watching the video. Overall, TotalSend offers a robust set of features that cater to both beginners and experienced marketers. It's a powerful platform that can help you scale your email marketing efforts without the complexity of some other tools. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing campaigns, TotalSend has the tools you need to succeed. Don't forget to like the video if you found this review helpful and subscribe to the channel for more honest SaaS reviews and marketing tips. Thanks for watching.